I'm not going to play PG. Right, guys? So, yeah. We're just going to play the RB Battles event. So, yeah, but we're gonna play build a boat for a treasure. Or it could be, guys, RB Battles. Because, after I joined RB Battles, I play it. I've been looking into some patch, but I'm so bad at this game. But yeah, guys, in RB Battles, when we joined, the server has been glitched. So, or maybe like error, right, guys? So I don't know about this one, but let us hope that it could like be played, right? Not error, right, guys? Bro, hi, bro, when we will win the game. Just wait then if you want to win the game. What's the matter? You know what? No, it glitched. Okay. Winner has been decided. Oh, wait, what? Wait. Yes, it is not glitch. But I think I'm in the YouTube server. I just thought like maybe I'm in the YouTube server. But I don't even know any of these YouTubers. But yeah. Wait, that wasn't there before. Wait, what? Okay. What's this? Okay, it doesn't do anything. We're going to go to... Hello, Sketch! Who is that? Is that Creekcraft? Oh my gosh! It's Murder Mystery too. Yeah, wow. Creekcraft vs Sketch. Yeah, guys, it's like so... I was like, I can just like be the toppest YouTuber ever. So I could play Dash with them, but I'm not the pros YouTuber, so yeah. That's why, you know how this life works. Yeah, it really. No. Oh no. Well, yeah, I guess this server is not glitched. What's that? I'm a big gainer. Seriously, I should buy more Robux. Borax. Yeah. Okay, guys. So, hell yeah. I'm. Wait. Why I can't actually? You know what, guys? I'm actually thinking like. Yeah. Championship RB battles. And yeah. I actually wanted to tell you guys what's like the secret obby, but the secret obby is in the do not enter room, and I need like 10 wins for that. Winner decided, I think, yeah. Let's try if anybody's not the beginner. If you're asking me, is this the real player? The answer is no. Yeah, of course you guys know it. Stupid answer, but yeah. Just maybe you guys don't know. I'm trying to win. Oh, my life is so bad. Don't even talk about it. My life like damn bad. I will actually look in the sky, but yeah. Wait. Yeah, I really want to. Oh, hello, Casio. And Megan plays there. Oh, hello. PT. Hello. Oh my gosh. VS. There's VS. Seriously guys, I really wanted to join them. Oh, how this... Is that Skyblock? November 26. What? Wait, that's yesterday. It's yesterday. Oh, hello. Pizza and bread. November 19th. Kylie, Kayeen, and Dennis? Seriously, they're like the best. I'm their favorite one. The tower. The tower. 3 p.m. It's 3 p.m. guys. Yeah, 3 p.m. at the night. Maybe at the noon, like 3 p.m. Great craft vs Dennis or vs Sketch. Okay. Oh, it's back. 3 p.m. Okay, guys. So yeah, guys. I have food for this. Okay, just one more. Hoverboard? Seriously, that's more madness and hoverboard. Seriously, that's visibility. By the way, guys, if you want to know all of the events on Roblox, I think you better just watch sub blocks and short blocks. So yeah, and you know what, guys? There's like 23 people discovered the sword. Wait, what's that? Yes, guys. When you enter that, the do not enter one, right? Then if you go into that fan, right? You see that fan over there? You can actually find the secret over there, and that's actually you can see that's the one that like my joystick is pointing at. There, see that's where you got the secret one. But yeah, I don't think that we can. Yeah, but oh yeah. One day later, I promise. Wait, I think this game is going to result. Okay then, guys. I think we are just going to play bullet boat for a terrace. Yeah, you know why. Yeah, guys. RB battles. My dream is to be the biggest ever YouTuber in the world. That's like number 2, then Quickcraft. Yeah, Quickcraft number 1 and number 2. That's what my dream is. Okay, I'm just going to change them. Whoa, everybody, I'm just going to ask everybody to join my team. Guys, join my team now. And yeah, and I forget how do we load. Okay, I've got nothing. Completely nothing. Find me. Start quest. How? Wait. It's easy though. Wait, yeah, but I never do quest. Wait, is that butter? Butter. Wait, did I got butter? Yeah, of course I didn't. Impossible, I got butter for free. that quest is like a poop. Poop, you know. Yeah, wait. Wait. Okay. Just going to buy. I'm just going to make my, boat. Yeah, and by the way, it's so hard to build if I'm on mobile. So yeah, guys. 4 in a row there. Okay, I'm just going to put this and like the. I kind of put the very strong the. I'm also thinking that. Okay, I'm just going to put the heart block. Oh no, guys. I don't know what should I build, but yeah, I really want to build it like this. I think. Oh my gosh! Somebody. Oh no, guys! Look at that. What? It's just like spinning. Oh my god. What the heck? Oh my gosh. It literally just like what the heck? Wow guys, it's like so funny. Like what? Like how can Okay. Let's stop this guys. My sister's being annoying. Super right? Oh well, my sister don't talk a lot. Don't mind her guys, so yeah. Let's just continue building. Let's see if I can just put this beyond the imagination. Oh, go. Wait, what? Okay, not too much. Wait, is that? No, it's too short. Seriously, 405? I'm going to buy this. Well, I'm going to buy this if I can. So yeah, I'm just going to put that there. Just going to save that for later, and yeah. Just put it like that, like design something. Okay. Put that there, over there. 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm just going to save that. Let's check. Shortly, I've got 1. Wait, there's 3, 2 there. Bruh, I don't even know that I have 3. Where's that? Okay. Going to put that there, put that there. Just going to put this there, put this there, and put. Bruh, where's that? Well, I'm just going to decorate it. My boot is like a trash. Wait, what? Hey, got up, stop. Sorry, please. Oh my gosh, what is he saying? I'm just going to ask. Apparently, of course, they will say no. They'll say like, I'm noob, and yeah, I've learned that, guys. That is why, guys, I hate bullies, because bullies going to that there. Where's that ice? Why do I keep like missing like one thing, like 5 things? Yeah. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, this is bad. Okay, I'm going to put that there. And well, yeah. Seriously! Do I have to do this myself? It's like, bruh. Okay, going to do that over again. This is what I use. Oh yeah, right, that's what I use. Yes! Okay, finally they wanted to join my... Okay, it's okay guys, I just make it that. Somebody, yep. Yippee. So yeah guys, let's just do that, guys. Oh no. Wait, how do I put that there? How in the first place did I just make that? What? No, I was getting the perfect chance. It's okay guys. Just pull that out of the... Oh man. What? Why would you do that? No. Stop. It's okay guys. At least we will be regret. They won't regret this. But if I think they want to annoy me. But some of my part feels like they don't want to annoy me. Yeah. What? Why would you do that? Stop. Dude. Stop. Dude. Come on, man. Seriously. Okay, guys. So, yeah, guys. Seriously. What? Will you stop that? I'm trying to make this and you... He's so dumb. Why? Okay, fine. No. Okay. Time to put the chairs over here. Let's just put it like for our protection. Wait, get out. Get out. No! He drive it! No, 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 no. Hey! Oh no. What did I just do? What have I done? Hey, 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 hey. No, no, no. I am going to die. No, oh. What? Stealer! Seriously, guys. I'm really tired of him. Gosh. The heck is he doing? I hate him, guys. I hate him. Okay, it's okay. Stand by. I'm just going to... Can't believe this. Why would he do that? Why would he do that? Go away. Don't join this team. Don't join this team. I told him to leave. But, okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That should do the trick. Yes. This is going to be excellent, trust me. Because this is going to be awesome. This boat right here is going to be our dream, guys. Our own multi-dream. Oh, no. 2, 1. No! It's okay, guys. We can just do that, and do that. So yeah, guys. We are just, yeah. My sister's like so annoying right now. It's like the jungle. Trust me. You will the want to talk to her. Trust me. He literally just stole my boat. And I hate it when people just stole my boat. Ouch. It's like super annoying when people just stole your boat. Especially when your boat is like, yes, I've made my boat, my particular boat, hooray! Yeah, and people just stole your boat and your face will like, I'm mad.
get out of the team right now. Right now. Yeah, we will probably say that. Yeah, that guy is annoying, trying to steal my boat. Oh, I'm not going to waste you. Not yet. It's going to make. What is that one? Like 2. And like that. And like 2. But wait, so the part is that. And where's that? Where's that? Oh, there. And well, yeah. Wow. Okay, then I guess I'm just going to. I'm just going to destroy this real quick and put this. Yeah, guys, I'm just going to put. No, it's not enough. Guess this will be just the perfect logo. Okay, now guys, I think it's time to put some block. I swear if you launch this boat. Need to waste that there. Then guys, I'm just going to put indoors. There's the indoors. Let me drive, please. Let me drive, please. No! Heaven, no! Seriously, gosh, I'm tired of it. Jump. Oh no. Oh, I hate this man. But yeah, no. Oh no, I'm going, no! Seriously, guys. Grrr. Oh my gosh. I'm starting to get mad. Go away. Just going to do that real quick. He's like the stupid man and the craziest man in the world. He's He's like the man that ever lived in Roblox. He's going to build that, build that, build there, build there, build that. So angry. He just stole my boat for 2 times. He's like, ugh. Seriously, I'm just going to make a random boat. Like, wait, why can't I boil? You're probably thinking that, oh no, this is so bad. Don't even know what should I put in my boat. I can't even build. Okay. Think it's enough. That's enough now. Now let's put like little up there. Now, knee, done. Guys, I'm going to put, wait, is that wrong? Oh, wait, what? Okay, put it there, put it. Okay, now we're going to put one there, one there. Yes, he quit, finally. After all this time, he finally quit. I'm so happy about it. Like, so happy. Because he has like, wait, what? I am wrong. He quit. Oh no, oh, I did not run out of blocks. So yeah, guys, we are like almost run out of blocks. And yeah, guys, this is almost. Seriously, why do I have to keep on doing that? I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Do I like? Seriously, am I cursed? Seriously, I'm cursed. Okay, there's that. Let's just put that more there. Surface there. So that could be a little more easier. Two, three, two, and two, three. Done there. So that thing I should put that there. So yeah, guys, this is the moment. We finally. So yeah, guys. Don't feel that there. That boat. So yeah, guys. We're just going to start this. Oh yeah. Berah guys, berah. That's max. And there is right there. And now let's put that there wasted. So yeah, guys. Nah. No. 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 And put strong materials that can protect. Ano? Ayan nga guys, may almost. No. 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 Let's make this straight. Oh no. Maka. This is Sandy Island. Ah! Oh my gosh. That train just shocked me. Bruh. Wow. 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 That was oh my gosh. Holy macaroni. Not in the world. Ouch. Ah. I'm scared. Oh no, the gears is off. Help! Ow, ow. Ouch, ouch, ouch. No, 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 no. This can't be. No, no, no. No, my pet. This has got 60 crinkles. Mm. What?
Kok rekam gak usah terlalu banyak juga.
So yeah guys, this. Hmm? What? Guys, flipped. I'm going to ow. Let me load my, load. Hurrah, my boat. So yeah guys, just now you can see, I think I died in. No! This is even much faster than I do. Ow. No. No, no. Oh no. Ow, 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 ow. Mm. Mhm. So good done.
Jam to go. Yes.
Jangan rekam terlalu luas.
So yeah, guys. We're almost done. No, 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 no. I'm going to try to hit you, but yeah. I hate this. So yeah, guys. I think after I died, this video ends. Okay, guys? Because yeah, you know,
Aduh.
don't mind my sister. Don't mind my sister. I mean, I have two sisters. Oh no! Here's at the end. How did he do that? Guys, here it's the end. I think. Now I just get out of my boot. So yeah.
Sengaja masak banyak, mana tahu besok siang nggak ada satu.
Don't be scared.
Soalnya. Makan.
Because the train shocked me. Oh no! Oh no! Ow! 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 Ouch! Ouch! No! No! No, guys, I died.
Enak.
So yeah. Bye, guys. Peace. Bye.